I came into university with kind of open eyes, ready to learn, ready to experience new things. I started work at BBC Radio 5 Live in the sport department. I worked for 606 on the BBC 606 phone-in show. It's the biggest phone-in across football. I hosted an official Forest podcast that was one of the largest in Nottingham, interviewing guests and attending key events in Nottingham and really interviewing some quite big names. I simply went to one of my lecturers, Caroline, who worked in radio, and Caroline advised me into taking that and kind of helped me negotiate things, which was a massive help. And then also just pointing out things that were on websites for work experience. That was the biggest thing for me, almost growing my confidence, growing my skills to be able to walk into a room and confidently go, I've done this at Salford and there's no problem, I can take this under my belt. I've worked with other people that have come from other universities, even on work experience, or they're simply working in the industry and they've not been taught the skills that we were taught. I think that's key because obviously the lecturers know what's required and the course knows what's required to be at that professional benchmark in the industry in the 21st century.